As someone who enjoys creating personalized gifts, I was excited to get my hands on the VEVOR Tumbler Heat Press machine. This mug maker kit has been designed to help you transfer your favorite images onto mugs, tumblers, and cups with ease. After using it for a few weeks, I must say that I'm impressed with its features and the convenience it brings to the table. Unforgettable mug press. The VEVOR Tumbler Heat Press machine has an upgraded sublimation transfer design. Allows you to put pictures of your family, pets, or any patterns you like on a mug. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your everyday cup of coffee or tea. I appreciate the fact that it caters to both beginners and professionals alike. 30 oz extra large capacity. The Tumbler Heat Press machine has a 30 oz capacity, which means you can press 2 cups at once for different sizes of cups, including tall aluminum bottles, wine glasses, tumblers, coffee mugs, and more. It also comes with a removable sublimation mug press that supports heating pads of other sizes available separately. This feature is useful for those who want to create a variety of designs. Innovative knob control. The VEVOR Tumbler Heat Press machine is a one-piece patented LCD knob-style panel that enables accurate and effortless control. The panel has a touchscreen and adjustment functions that make it easy to use. Turning the knob to the right sets the temperature, and turning left sets the time. The process is so elegant and time-saving, and the machine beeps to remind you when the sublimation is completed. Reliable sublimation transfers. The VEVOR Tumbler Heat Press machine has a 620W heating element that delivers a faster heating speed and a better transfer effect. The heating element is made of silica gel and iron, which makes it durable and reliable. It also has a soft silica gel heating liner that wraps mugs to reduce unpleasant smells. The machine is perfect for cups made from ceramics, stainless steel, glasses, and more. Reinforced safeguards. The VEVOR Tumbler Heat Press machine has an upgraded double control circuit that provides real-time monitoring and convenient auto-adjustment for the sublimation cup press, reducing the possibility of abnormal temperature changes. It also has an automatic shutdown function, heat-resistant gloves, and tape for added safety. The machine is easy to use and is safe for anyone to operate. Real user comments. One of the users mentioned that the VEVOR Tumbler Heat Press machine does its job well and heats and presses cups effectively. However, they struggled with adjusting the time. The user also mentioned that they had to purchase an outlet adapter to plug the unit in as it has a European plug, and there was a slight odor that came with the machine. Overall, the VEVOR Tumbler Heat Press machine is an excellent investment for those who enjoy creating personalized gifts. It's easy to use and offers a range of features that cater to beginners and professionals alike. The machine is also safe to operate and comes with added safeguards, which is an added bonus. I highly recommend this product to anyone who wants to unleash their creativity and add a personal touch to their everyday cups.